Hello, in this video we're gonna check all of the settings available for your Asus ROG Gladius 2 Origin mice on the Asus Armory Crate program. So here I downloaded the program. You can get it from their website, Asus website, or any search engine. Type in Armory Crate and you should not have any trouble finding it. Next is to select the devices, then ROG Gladius 2 Origin, and here we can find all of the settings for this mice. So in the buttons you can change any functions for the buttons. So let's go with the backwards, for example. Reveal more options, and now we can see that we can give it a mouse function, keyboard function, Windows shortcut, multimedia, preset input text, or disable it. You can also give a specific button a role like right here, but each of the settings have unique options. Next is a performance, and right here you can adjust the DPI of your mouse or pulling rate, button response, and angle sniping. In the lighting you can change any light RGB effects on your mouse, so adjust it to your liking. In calibration you can calibrate your mouse to a specific surface like a mouse pad. Here you can see all of the mouse pads available by Asus ROG, and also some basic materials like cloth or glass. You can also change the lift-off distance like low, medium, or high. In the firmware update you can check for any updates for your mice. And that's basically it. You can also choose our profile right here on the top right corner of your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.